Almost everyone's had hiccups at one time or another. While hiccups usually go away on their own within a few minutes, they can be annoying and interfere with eating and talking. In most cases, they come and go quickly. Lifestyle factors that may cause hiccups include eating too much or too quickly, carbonated drinks, spicy foods, being stressed or emotionally excited, drinking alcohol, being exposed to quick changes in temperature. People have come up with an endless list of tricks to get rid of them, from breathing into a paper bag to eating a spoonful of sugar. But which remedies actually work? Today we will talk about the best method to get rid of hiccups. Inhale a large gulp of air and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds, then breathe out slowly. Repeat as necessary to get rid of hiccups. When no one's watching, stick out your tongue. This exercise is done by singers and actors because it stimulates the opening between the vocal cords, the glottis. You breathe more smoothly, quelling the spasms that cause hiccups. Tap or rub the back of your neck. Rubbing the skin at the back of your neck may stimulate your phrenic nerve, which will get rid of hiccups. Place a paper lunch bag over your mouth and nose. Slowly breathe in and out, deflating and inflating the bag. And remember never to use a plastic bag. This method is very useful to get rid of hiccups. Take 9 or 10 quick sips in a row from a glass of water. When you're gulping a drink, rhythmic contractions of the esophagus override spasms of the diaphragm. If this doesn't work, place a single layer of paper towel over the top of a glass, then drink through the towel. You'll have to pull even harder with your diaphragm to suck up the water.